You have things to make, from the practical to the incredible. Imagining the biggest ideas right down to the tiniest details, you make real things for the real world. We have the design solutions to make them happen, bringing your visions to life, quickly, easily, accurately, wherever and whenever inspiration strikes. SOLIDWORKS was built by engineers and designers, for engineers and designers, a global but close-knit community of learners, teachers, doers, and makers who care about camaraderie as much as we care about technology, and we care a lot. But turning the hypothetical into the physical is a team sport. That's why we're consistently enhancing our software based on your direct feedback, infusing it with the latest technology, and increasing its capabilities to meet your specific needs. For more than 30 years, we've been evolving with you, making product development more accessible, scalable, sustainable, enjoyable, investing in the future, your future, with cloud technologies, real-time collaboration, artificial intelligence, and beyond.
To get the most out of your designs, you need to get the most out of your design tools. That means creating anything from anywhere when creativity strikes. SOLIDWORKS connects all the tools you need to design effectively and efficiently with browser-based subdivision sculpting, parametric design, documentation, and more. Choose a modeling environment that adapts to your needs wherever you are and whoever you're working with. Integrated collaboration lets you connect with teammates so you know exactly where to focus.
SOLIDWORKS is everywhere. Whoever you are, whatever you need, we've got it covered. You make the future. We help make it possible.